Almost a month ago, we all watched as NASA launched the Artemis 1 mission to the moon, and now we are 2 days away from the mission returning to Earth.
Yeah, the Orion capsule set to splash down in the Pacific on Sunday. Our Marcelino Benito spoke to NASA about this history-making mission and what's next.
From the moment Artemis 1 blasted off into space, it's been one history-making moment after another.
Back to the moon and beyond.
We are incredibly excited to get to this next step for the agency and really for the country and the world.
Orion has already traveled further than any spacecraft designed to carry humans ever. When it's over, that's 1.3 million miles. And during the journey, it's captured some unbelievable images of the Earth and new perspectives of the moon.
We've been seeing pictures in history books for decades as we've grown up, as I've grown up, and now to actually see those images from our vehicle, to me, it's very, very inspiring.
Preparations underway now for the next big moment.
This mission, we haven't quite finished it yet. We need to get that vehicle back, make sure it works, to make sure it's ready for the next step, which is to actually put people on board.
A historic splashdown in the Pacific near Guadalupe Island, scheduled for Sunday morning. It'll be the first time the world sees something like that since the last manned mission in the Apollo program, Apollo 17.
To me, that's going to be iconic, seeing that vehicle floating down on chutes and splashing down in the water.
The spacecraft will re-enter the Earth's atmosphere, traveling at 24,500 miles per hour. It'll be a huge test for NASA, the first time putting Orion's critical heat shield under extreme conditions.
Testing that heat shield is something we haven't done in a very long time, and that's a really critical part, maybe the most critical part of this, particularly of the re-entry phase.
Once the vehicle splashes into the Pacific, hours of testing will take place before it's ever removed from the water. Key data that will help determine if NASA is ready for Artemis 2.
This really is what tells us, hey, we're ready to take that next step, because remember, the next step is really big. We're putting humans, we're putting astronauts on that vehicle and launching them out to around the moon.
At the Johnson Space Center, Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.